wooden Elegance gate is a solid, stylish, chunky wooden pressure-fitted stair gate. It comes in two colours, in a natural wood and a white wood, and it comes in 5 different sizes from 63 centimetres all the way up to 103 centimetres. The gate can also be extended, making the maximum width it fits 153 centimetres. The gate has some unique features. It is a solid, robust safety gate. It passes the safety standard EN 1930 for safety barriers within inside the home. And the larger sizes, the gate actually increases in size, so the central section becomes wider, which means you get a very large walk-through. Also, with the 5 sizes from 63 all the way up to 103, they're a purely out-of-the-box solution, making it a really simple, easy gate to fit. When you receive your wooden Elegance gate, you'll get the gate in the box and the following parts. You'll get 4 spindles with 4 hand wheels, and you wind on the hand wheels and so that the smooth side with the notches is on the side of the spindles. You'll also receive wall cups, double-sided adhesive pads to stick the wall cups, and just in case you're fitting onto walls with uneven surfaces or potentially loose wallpaper, we also provide some screws and raw plugs in case you need to screw the raw plugs into the wall. You'll receive a set of instructions, and useful additional tools will be a spirit level, a pen to mark where you're going to be fitting the gate, and a pair of scissors.
Okay.
To fit the gate, we advise that you release the cable tie at the bottom using your scissors. You can take that out and take away the piece of protective polystyrene as well. Now it's also good to remove polystyrene from the top but leave the cable tie in place. This will help you fit the gate easier. If you just squeeze the gate together and tighten the cable tie, it will make the fitting process a lot easier. The wooden Elegance gate is a simple gate to fit. Following the enclosed instructions, you take the 4 spindles and slot them into the 4 corners of the gate. We'll then put the gate loosely into position and just tighten the spindles slightly so the gate stays roughly in the position where you want it to fit. You can do this on all 4 corners. We then want to check with our spirit level that everything's straight. So we'll be checking the verticals and then the wider horizontal from this side to this side, making sure that everything is level. We'll then mark where we're going to be securing the wall cups with our pen. So we'll do that just above all 4 spindles. Once you've marked the position where the wall cups are going to go, you temporarily remove the gate and then we'll affix the wall cups. The wall cups come with a double-sided sticky tape to help you put them into position. Simply peel off the back, place the wall cup on and hold that in position. By holding it in position, it helps the bonds form and provides a stronger solution. You then remove the other side of the sticky tape and put the wall cup into position. Now we recommend you hold the wall cup into position for 1 minute so that all the bonds secure properly. Now for additional safety, we provide screws that can go through the wall cup into a wooden surface. If you wish, you can affix them to brick surfaces or plaster surfaces, as long as you use the right raw plugs for the job. Once all 4 wall cups are in position, you simply slot the gate spindles into the 4 wall cups and then we start our adjustments. So what we're trying to achieve is that we're trying to achieve equal pressure across all 4 spindles. So that means that the gap between the spindles and the wall cups on both sides are the same. So we'll start by tightening the bottom. When you feel it bite and it can't move anymore, that means it's fully secure. And then we do the same at the top. So we're trying to start on this side, we're looking for about the same distance of spindle showing. And then we do the same on this side. Now, so what you'll notice is as we turn here and tighten it up, the gap between the gate and the frame starts to close. We keep tightening it and then you'll slowly hear it click into place. Now what we're looking for is a gap between the gate and the frame of as near to 2mm as you get, and I can see here that's looking like 2mm. This means that you're now in a position to cut this cable tie and the gate will be secure and ready to use.